Do you guys get nervous in your job interview? And if the answer is yes, you have landed in the right video, guys. And one of the most important ways to ace your video interview or any kind of interview is by preparing the most frequently asked questions. Like, tell me something about yourself. What are your weaknesses, your strengths, etc., etc. And if you're unable to answer these questions correctly and with confidence, no matter how good you are in your academics, believe me, you might feel rejection. My name is Rashmi Sharma and welcome to my Cabin Crew series, which is all about the cabin crew career path. And if you haven't watched my first two videos, which is all about the recruitment changes amidst COVID-19 pandemic situation and what are the eligibility criteria to become a cabin crew or an air hostess or a flight attendant. So let's get started with the video, guys. So guys, what is an online video interview? This is a video interview which is going to happen online with the help of a webcam. This is going to be you and the system, which means there won't be any person sitting on the other side of the screen. And the questions you will be receiving in this online video interview will be completely random and that would be system generated. And this is becoming one of the most common and most important part of a cabin crew recruitment. And this is the stage when cabin crew recruitment team have already shortlisted your profile and they think that you could be an ideal candidate for the airline, and that's the time they're going to send you a link to attend this online video interview. So guys, let's quickly cover these pointers which I would be discussing throughout this video. The first is how this online video interview works. Next is how should you prepare for this online video interviews? What are the different kind of online video interviews and what are the most important checklist while giving the online video interviews? And your exquisite appearances. Your first impression is the last impression, and we would be discussing a lot more in detail. So let's get started with the video without further delay. So let's quickly discuss the steps of an online video interview. Step 1 is the online video interview consists of all the questions that are applicable to the level of experiences you have. And next is you will be getting these questions one by one, not all the questions at once, guys. And next you will have an opportunity to rehearse the answer for the questions asked for approximately 1 minute. Then you record your final answer for the recruiter's review. Every video screen has a head and a shoulder shape that helps you to position the camera accordingly. And once you're sorted with this, you press the record button and you record the answers and you submit your answer. And one of the most important part about this online video interview is that once you submit the answer, you will not have an opportunity to modify the answer, guys. So make sure that you are completely prepared about the questions you're about to answer. And you already have a minute to think about it in your head and then you can start recording. And once you submit all the answers of the questions, then that will straight away redirect you to the main online portal. And that's all about this online video interview. Remember guys, this online video interview is an opportunity for the airline or for the recruitment team to know you even better apart from what you have mentioned on your CV. So here are a few important factors that can literally help you to show your absolute self in your online video interviews. So first is, it does not require a special equipment except your computer with a front camera, your mobile phones, any smartphones with a front camera or a tablet with a camera is all you need for your online video interview. Also guys, you don't have to really upload any video or any recordings, or you don't have to record anything to send it to the recruitment team or the airline who's going to recruit and do your interview on that day. It's going to be you and the computer screen on the other side. That's it. And it's going to be completely system generated. The next important questions which have been asked mostly is it going to be a live video interview or it's going to be just a recorded stuff. As I've already partially answered this question in my previous point, that this is going to be you and the system, which means there won't be any person sitting on the other side of the screen. And the questions you will be receiving in this online video interview will be completely random and that would be system generated. There isn't any person sitting on the other side of the screen listening to your answers once you press the start recording button. So you need to take a deep breath and you need to relax. And there will not be any follow-up questions based upon whatever you are answering at the moment. So Just structure your answers, be clear and be concise. Next important point is you'll have time to rehearse your answers. So guys, while answering your questions, you will get 1 minute of a rehearsed time. Once you're sorted with the answers in your head, then you can press start recording and you can answer your question, guys, and submit the answers. So isn't it easy? Isn't it helpful for you guys that sometimes it happens that you get a question and you need a few seconds to prepare in your head what you're going to answer. So here you go, you have 1 minute and you can prepare. Your exquisite appearances. This is one of the most important part for the recruitment team or for the airline, as you would be their brand image in the future. Once you join the airline, you would be representing the airline. So that holds a very, very important value for the airline industry or for any service industry wherein you would be the face of the company. Right? So let's discuss the few important facts that you must take care while giving your online video interview. Regardless of the method of the interview, whether it's an online video interview or it's an open day interview wherein you have to be physically present, you cannot compromise when it comes to your appearances. Your appearances, your grooming, your business attires, your makeup, everything needs to be spotless, everything needs to be immaculate, which shows that how serious you are for your job, guys. And that can literally take a very, very step closer to your goal. So make sure that you do not mess up with these things. The first is you must wear formals during your interview, right? And you make sure that whatever is visible on the screen should be immaculate, right? So your upper half of the body is visible on the screen, so make sure that is spotless. Even if you're not going to wear shoes, it's fine because nobody's going to check that. So even if you're not wearing your shoes or belts, it's completely acceptable, but not wearing the right attire is completely unacceptable. So make sure you're wearing a business attire. Your hair should be neatly combed, brushed, neatly tied for ladies. For ladies, your makeup should be on spot. It shouldn't be very flashy. It should be very subtle that goes with your skin. And for guys, I know you don't need a lot of makeup, but still if you can just do a little bit of touch-up, that would literally show that you are really, really serious about this profile. Then it comes to your tattoos and piercing. It should be completely no visible tattoos on your face, on any visible part of your body, right? The only few jewelries which are allowed to be your working watch, a ring. You're allowed to wear only one ring. Try to make sure that your watch color and your ring color matches. If not, it's still okay. It's not gonna be a big deal, but if you do match it, it's gonna be on your favor only. And there shouldn't be any piercing on your nose, on your ears, or on your eyebrows, or anywhere which is visible on the screen, guys. So these are the few important tips. However, I would be making a separate video which would be completely all about the grooming standards for female and for male candidates. As we all are aware of this saying that the first impressions are the lasting impressions, right? I'm sure most of us have heard this saying. While most of the candidates are required to be physically present in their open day interviews to make their first impressions in front of the recruiters, guys, that too after waiting for so long, after waiting for hours and hours, they get few minutes to make that first impressions. However, on an online video interview, the candidate gets an opportunity to make that first impression in their own comfort, guys, and make sure that you don't leave any stone unturned. And another important parameter is that your online video interview is included to support your application, guys, not to make your application, which means that the online video interview will not be the only deciding factors for the recruiters. However, this will add in tremendous value to your CV, which means so your CV is still the strongest pillar of your application, guys. Make sure, guys, that your CV is 100% along with the photo you have presented in it. So these are the following aspects which an online video interview shows as well. For example, your spoken level of English is clear, easy to understand. Next is a high level of a personal presentation, compliance with the interview etiquettes, such as your business attires, the way you have prepared yourself, makeup, your hair, your little tiny things makes a huge difference. The way the answers are structured will show how strong you are as a candidate. Talk about yourself, talk about your relevant experiences, not the other way around, guys, which will literally ignite the curiosity in the recruiters in your profile. After they have watched your online presentation, the only thought they should have in their head that I would like to know more about this candidate. And I'm sure you can do that very easily with all the preparations in your head. The more you rehearse, the better you will be on the day of your online video interview. Even though you're not required to submit any kind of an independent recording to the recruiters, however, the more familiar you get talking to the computer or your phone or your camera, the better you will be and the more relaxed you will be on the day of your interview, guys. So all you need to do at the moment is download all the important questions or the most frequently asked questions on this particular job interview, and also I will be sharing the link of most frequently asked questions in the description below, and you can download the FAQs from there and you can start recording and practicing these frequently asked questions, and you can ask any of your close friends or family members to have a look and give you a very herconstructive feedback. Next is, no question should come as a surprise, guys. Remember, a strong candidate is someone who prepares himself or herself in advance and think of all the questions which can be asked on the day of your interview. During the online video interview, the only feeling you should not get is surprised, as you already hear and you're reading about this stage. So all you need to do at this moment is research all the frequently asked questions about this job profile, and you can start preparing yourself. And the better you prepare yourself, the better you will be and the more closer you will be towards your goal, guys. You really don't have to have a previous experience doing online video interview. Like most of us, we use Skype, Snapchat, WhatsApp video or a Facebook video call. An online video interview is not much different. Please note, guys, that the airline is not looking for a perfect video performance. However, they're looking for very genuine and enthusiastic candidates who are willing to share their important parts of their lives and their personalities in an online video interview. Because many of the candidates gets nervous or get self-aware in front of the camera, there's also an option to hide the video while you're answering the question, so you won't be seeing yourself while answering the questions. However, personally, I won't recommend that, because when you're seeing yourself in the camera, you know how you're presenting yourself. So guys, let's talk about the last few important factors which often gets ignored by most of us during online video interviews. First is your power backup, guys. Make sure that you have charged your power bank. Next, if you're using a Wi-Fi, make sure you have additional mobile data in case if your Wi-Fi stopped working. And next is, guys, if you are only using your mobile data, then make sure that you have additional mobile data in your hand. After this, the most important part is the lighting. Make sure that there's enough lighting where you have set up your mobile camera. Next is that you're in a silent place, that you don't have any disturbances while giving the online interview. And next is that you shouldn't be speaking too low or too loud. Make sure that you are taking care of your pitch, and also your clarity of speech should be excellent. And also try to add those key points, those unique selling points of yours which you have not mentioned in the CV, guys. So I hope by now you all are ready to rehearse all the frequently asked questions and ready to apply all the tips and tricks which I have shared with you, and ready to prepare yourself for the future video interview, guys. And if you do have any suggestions, comments, any feedback, feel free to mention in the comment section, and I'll surely reply to those messages very soon. Until then, guys, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next cabin crew series, which will be all about the grooming of male and female candidates. Namaste. Bye-bye.